Welcome everyone. Today, we will learn how to operate a hydraulic press machine. This process involves shaping metal sheets into precise forms using hydraulic pressure. As you can see, there are 3 buttons attached to the box. 2 of them are used to start the hydraulic machine, and the middle one is responsible for stopping the machine to prevent applying any more pressure. Here, you can see the control panel. It has a digital screen attached to it. The control panel is used to regulate pressure and modify other parameters like cycle speed. It also includes an emergency stop button. As you can see, there are 3 traffic light type signal which signifies different things. Red means machine is currently operating and no one is allowed to go close to it. Yellow means to hold on or wait. Green means the machine is not under any form of operation and it's safe to go near it and unload the metal sheet. Always ensure the machine is turned off before beginning any setup. We are using a metal sheet that will be shaped into a bonnet. Place the sheet on the die bed, ensuring it's properly aligned with the die. With the material in place, the pressure control allows you to adjust the force exerted by the hydraulic press. Lower the upper die using the manual controls. The hydraulic press will slowly descend, applying pressure to shape the metal sheet. Watch as the press moves down and shapes the metal sheet into a car bonnet. Once the pressing cycle is complete, the press will automatically retract. Turn off the machine and raise the upper die. Carefully remove the shaped bonnet from the die bed. Use both hands and be mindful of any sharp edges. Ensure the machine is turned off and the upper die is fully retracted. This will give you safe access to the finished product.